We are learning to use multiplication algorithms. First, I will tell you our problem. Our problem is 36 times 48. First, we do 8 times 6, which is 48. And then we cross that one out because we've done it. Next step is we do 8 times 3, which is 24. And since the 3 is in the tens column, we add a 0. And cross out 8 times 3. Next up, we do 6 times 4, which is 24. And as before, the 4 is in the tens column, so we add a 0. And we cross out 6 times 4. Next up, we do 4 times 3, which is 12. And since the 3 and the 4 are both in the tens column, we do 2 zeros. And cross out 3 and 4. Also, just a tip, since 3 and 6 and 4 and 8 are in the same line, like number, we don't do 3 times 6 or 4 times 8 because they're in the same number. Next up, we do 48 plus 240, because they're the first two that we wrote down with the answers, and that equals 288. Next up, we do 288 plus 240, which equals 528. Then we plus 1,200 plus 528, and that equals 1,728. And that number is our answer.
An example of this is 25 times 92. You might want to pause now so you can figure out this question. What you should have done was 5 times 2 equals 10. And then cross that one out. Then you would have wanted to go 2 times 2 equals 4. And then you add a 0 because this 2 is in the tens column. And then cross that one out. Now you might have wanted to go 5 times 9 equals 45 plus a 0 because that number, the 9, is in the tens column. And then cross that one out. Nearly last step is 2 times 9, which is 18. Then you would add 2 zeros because the 2 is in the tens column and the 9 is in the tens column. And cross that one out so you know you've done it. Okay, then the last step is you plus all the numbers. So the first two, 10 plus 40 equals 10 plus 40. That equals 50. And then 50 plus 450 equals 500. And then 500 plus 1,800 equals 2,300. And that's your answer. If you got that right, well done. So now we've got some do-it-yourself. First one is 65 times 38. Second, 66 times 24. Third, 18 times 54. And last one, 47 times 45. So pause it right now and figure out these questions. Oops. Anyway, if you got for 65 times 38, 200, 2,470. For the second one, 66 times 24, if you got 1,584, well done. And for the third one, 18 times 54, if you got 972, that's the right answer.
And 47 times 45, if you got 2,115, you're correct.
Thanks for watching.